falls down due to gravitational. This ball is also attracted by the gravitational pull. Similarly, these blocks are again now there are certain other forces which are known as non-contact force. So non-contact force. So non-contact force means where the force between the two objects is in such a manner they are not touching each other. So the example of this is the sun is attracting the earth. So sun and earth are not in contact, but they are pulling each other. Similarly is the case of the earth and the moon. So this force is gravitational force. So the first example of the non-contact force is gravitational force. So non-contact force means the force of interaction between the two bodies when they are not actually in contact. So first example is gravitational force. The gravitational force is the force of attraction. It is always attractive force. The force of attraction between the two bodies, or the earth pulls every body due to the gravitation of the earth and the gravitational force is there. But in universe, each and every object attracts the other object. A ball is attracting the other ball, the fielder or the bat, they are attracting. But the force of a gravitational force is so small that it is not visible that way. But when you leave a book or a ball, then it goes down to the earth. That means the earth is pulling the ball. So the force due to gravitation is making these things fall down. Whenever you climb a tree and by chance you can't grip it properly, then you fell down. So that way also this is because of the gravitational pull. Even the satellites are revolving around the earth and they are stationary at that point. So this is because of the gravitational pull. And now the question will arise in your mind that why all the bodies are falling toward the earth? Why the satellite is not falling towards the earth? It is because of the centrifugal force that we will study in motion chapter, and because they are balanced. So this is the earth and this is the satellite. So earth is attracting this satellite, but since it is moving in a circular path, when you move in a car and in a curve, then generally you are thrown or you are just pulled away. Or when you are enjoying a My Fair Lady Jhula, in that case it revolves around in a circular path, so it starts throwing the person outward. So this outward force is called the centrifugal force, and this is balanced by this. That's why the satellite does not go away or does not fall, because these two forces are equal. The velocity of the satellite is maintained in such a manner. So you will study later in higher classes. So the pull between the satellite and the earth is gravitational force. The first force of non-contact force is gravitational force. So let us have some activity which will give you that how the gravitational force is acting. So gravitational force, non-contact force means which do not touch each other while applying the force. So gravitational force, we know that Earth always attracts the things towards its center or towards it. That's why we fall. This is the sponge, and what will happen if I leave it? So it is not going to up, but it will just fall down. Even this marble will just fall down. This is the cloth. If I leave it, so it is going to fall. This wooden piece is going to fall. This envelope paper, it is not going up, but it will also move or fall down. This is the eraser. This will also fall down. This is the medal. Suppose I am holding it, and if this string gets broken, then what will happen? Suppose it is like this, and if the string breaks, then it is to fall down. Just see, I'll just show you from here. If I leave it, then it will fall down. Now it is held with the help of this, otherwise it would definitely, yes, it will fall down. This plastic scale, this is also going to fall. If I just lift it, then what will happen? This will fall like this, fall like this. Even this plastic small box, that is going to fall like this. This stone, pellet, falling down, and even it fall down from the desk. So let us study gravitational force. So if see this eraser, if I just leave it, then it comes down. That means due to gravitational force, this body is attracted by the earth, and that's why it falls like this. This also falls down due to gravitational. This ball is also attracted by the gravitational pull. Similarly, these blocks are again attracted. So each and every object is attracted by the earth. So that's why this is called gravitational force. So each and every body, the sun attracts the moon, even this earth attracts the moon, and they attract to each other. So similarly, each and every object in the universe attract each other, and that force of attraction is known as gravitational force. So this way we have seen that the earth attracts everything towards it. And here, even if you see the balloon, this balloon will also go up or down. It will also fall down. Just see. That means in this gravitational force is not between the earth and the objects, but it is between each and every object or each and every body in the universe attracts the other body. However, it is small or big, it doesn't matter. This eraser is attracting this block, and this block is attracting this, and likewise.